depends the price and for the front windows and for the car.
Now the back glass is cut out. We're gonna remove the cable on the bottom. This is the original cable. So you see how we open the centerpiece a couple inches. So now the cable is not as tight. It's not as stretched out. So it's easier to remove. We're putting a box behind the glass so we can remove the cable. Hold on to the glass.
This is a shortcut.
Clamp it.
This is a shortcut only.
So hold the cable so it won't shrink back, and then remove the other side. Okay, pull the cable up. Okay, so now the cable is out. So you gotta clamp that
Vice grip.
so the cable won't shrink back. The other end, it's the same thing. Take the glass out completely. So the cable is still connected to the center glass. Now removing the cable from the center glass is very easy. You just need to pull the end connector off the center, the hole on the center glass.
Try not to make any scratch on the car. Kind of slowly.
Now connect the end cable to the hole next to the centerpiece. It's the same thing as the original, and then you push the glass back a little bit. Okay. Snap back the end connector, the cap. Move the eyelet down. Tighten the cap with the spool so it's connected. The other side, you might need to pull the cable out a little bit, and it's the same concept. You just the passenger side cable, it's the same concept. You just need to insert the cable to the cable connector back into the slot right next to the centerpiece. This is how it should look.